Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. We are on lesson number 6, formatting a document, and this is the third part of a lesson. Today we are going to learn how to apply borders and shading to our page in a document. Okay, as we are knowing, we are working on a Word. So to improve the appearance and readability of the text, we add a variety of border. Suppose you want to emphasize on some part, you want to highlight some part, so you are going to apply border and shadings effect to a paragraph and the entire page. As you have seen in your book, some important points are highlighted in a box. Okay, like your summary is highlighted in a box. So that is a type of formatting that will attract your attention toward that. So how to apply that borders and shadings. Okay. So first thing, whatever you want to apply, the first rule is to select it. Select the text. Okay. Click on the drop down arrow next to your border button. This is your home tab. This is your border button in the paragraph group. Select borders and shadings option. Now when you select that option from the border, this dialog box will open. Okay, where it is written borders, page border, shading. 3 options are there. So if you want to apply border to the paragraph, select borders. If you want to apply border to a page, whole page, then you select page border. Okay, if you want to apply shading to a particular paragraph, then select shading. So 3 options are there: border for the paragraph, page border and the shading. So select that. Then we have to select the type of border. Then the style means the line of border. Okay, which line you want in a border. Color of the border. And the width means your point. You can increase or decrease. And here you can see the preview of your border, how your border will be applied. Apply to paragraph, click on OK. What happened? Your border will be applied. Now your drop cap, applying drop cap. You have noticed in many birthday cards or in many stories that first letter is dropped to 2-3 lines. Like the story begins with your once upon a time, so that O is dropped down the lines. Okay, so here you can see that W is dropping down 3 lines. This is your line number 1, this is your line number 2 and this is your line number 3. So this effect can be applied using your drop cap method. And this is a very good effect while creating your greeting cards or while writing your special paragraph when you are going to submit your story in a competition. Okay, then you can use these type of special effects. So applying drop cap. Yes, in order to give graceful look, we use drop cap effect to the first letter. And remember, it will be applied only to the first letter of a paragraph. Okay, now this is the paragraph. This F, if you want to drop this F to 2-3 lines. So you are going to click on Insert tab. Okay, Insert tab. And here it is your drop cap. Okay, drop cap, where you will be finding that on the Insert tab. By default you are on the Home tab, so click on Insert tab, then drop cap. Drop cap option. Now you will see drop in margin, so we are going to select drop. Click on OK and observe the changes. So that is your drop cap option. Now you can write the stories here, your drop cap option, or you can create a birthday card or any other thing using your drop cap option. So points at the glance, we are going to revise the points which we have learned in this lesson. This lesson is having 3 parts. Okay, I share all the 3 videos. If you have not watched the 3 videos, kindly watch that 3 videos. This will improve your speed in formatting document. You can format document using your Word. So what we have learned, formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. Fonts are the character of a special size and design used for typing text. Alignment refers to the positioning of text on the page. Line spacing is a vertical distance between successive lines of the text. This is your vertical distance. जैसे ये first line है और ये आपकी this line. तो ये जो distance है vertical distance, this is your line spacing. Okay. So in next class we are going to do question and answers of this lesson. What is your work? Your work is to open MS Word, type document, use drop cap, use your numbers and bullets, use your page border, apply your border to the paragraph, use shading also. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.